What is shell format in envsubst? When I stumbled upon envsubst, I wanted to use it for replacing only specific variables and suspected that the shell format parameter might be what is wanted, but I cannot get it to work. Unfortunately, the man and info pages don't give any usage example and only say, if a shell format is given, only those environment variables that are referenced in shell format are substituted, which does not tell me how to reference them.
As indicated by the text, you just have to reference, for example by $varname or $varname, the variables as in the usual shell command. However, you have to make sure that the shell does not expand them beforehand. Here are some examples to illustrate this, assuming export foo equals $. As you can see, $foo2 has been replaced by as it was not defined. Now we can restrict that replacement to only $foo by. Using instead of would lead to substitution before it is wanted. This amounts to the effective call, envsubst var, which detects no variables so none are replaced. As the man page said, all variables that are referenced in shell format are replaced, so we can even do this. As you can see, the shell format is quite flexible. Finally, the parameter variables allows you to evaluate which variables are selected for substitution by the shell format. In the premature substitution example from above, this would have shown the error. As stated in the man page, envsubst does not process any stinput when variables is present.
Here are some examples that helped me understand how to use it properly. It was surprising to me that envsubst only replaces variables mentioned in the parameter. $var and $var, both seem to work BTW. Order does not matter. I did not understand what shell format meant either, still don't know why it is named like that. But after the above experiments I think I know what it does.
The verbiage is a bit confusion. To reword the help text more meticulously. Shell format is an optional text command line argument containing references to environment variables. To reference an environment variable in the text, prefix the variable name with a $. For example, hello $foo world $bar references environment variables foo and bar. The rest of the string is ignored. If the shell format command line argument is present, then when variable substitution occurs on text received through stint, it will be limited to variables referenced in the shell format command line argument. So to answer your question explicitly, prefix the variable name with $.